Welcome dear students. Now today's video is totally different. Here I am not going to teach you anything. Simply I will be explaining you or I will be solving the most important MCQs of this chapter. This video is divided into two parts. In the first part I will be solving the important MCQs, and in the next part I will be taking your online test. Now this second part of online test, that is optional. All those who want to give the test, they can give. It's not compulsory. Another thing, that when will be the results of this test? Right? You all are always worried about the results, or you are in a hurry of results. So you will get your results immediately as soon as you press the submit button. Another thing is, your result will remain secret. That is, only you will come to know how many marks you are getting. So this thing is a very good thing for your self-examination. And you will, in the results, you will also get that your how many questions or which questions are wrong. And if it is wrong, then what is the correct answer of that question? That also will be explained to you. So let's begin. Yeah, one thing I forgot. If you are new on my channel and haven't yet subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel and continue watching the video, because this channel is going to be helpful to you in all 3 years, that is standard 10, 11 and 12, right? So now let's begin. So the first question of chapter number 1, Introduction to HTML, is: in dash all the websites are connected to one another. Then the answer is www. That is, in World Wide Web all the websites are connected to each other. Next question: who conceived the notion of the web? Now do you remember or have you forgotten? It was conceived by Tim Berners-Lee. That is option D. Third question: dash is an electronic document created using HTML file format. What should be the answer here? Answer is web page. It is an electronic document. Okay. Then, which type of information can be incorporated in an HTML document? Then we can incorporate multimedia information. Can we? Yeah. Textual information, that also. Address and path of a file, hyperlink, that thing also. So the answer here is option D, all of the given. Question number 5. Dash is a collection of electronically created web pages. So that is known as website. Collection of web pages is a website. Next thing. Home page means dash of a website. Then whenever you open any website, the first page which is displayed is known as its home page. So here the answer is first page. Question number 7. Which of the following is used to go to the related web page or website? Naturally the answer is hyperlink. We create a hyperlink using the A tag, that is anchor tag. Question number 8. This is a special application to retrieve and view web information. How do we view the web information? We use it through our web browser. Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, all are web browsers. Question number 9. dash is known as a web client. Okay, now there are two options here, web server and web browser. So which is the correct answer? The correct answer is web browser. We have got two things, that is server and client. All the data is stored in server, while at the receiving end we use a web browser to retrieve the data from it. Next question, 10th question. Dash is a program of a computer where all the websites are stored. Okay, everything is stored in web server, right? Question number 11. To display the web content, which markup language is needed? Then there is only one markup language which we are taught, and that is HTML. Question number 12. Which of the following is considered as a language for describing a web page, or dash is a kind of markup language for describing a web page? Again, the answer here is hypertext markup language, that is in short HTML. Question number 13. Which of the following is the full form of HTML? Everybody knows the answer here, am I right? Hypertext markup language. Question number 14. Which of the following is the full form of SGML? Now what is this GML? It is Standardized General Markup Language. That is option A. You have to take on option A. Fine. Question number 15. HTML tag is enclosed within which type of brackets? So we all know the answer. It is enclosed in angular brackets. So here the answer could be angular bracket also, and even if the size or sign of angular bracket is given, okay, then that you. Question number 16. Which of the following refers to an HTML element? Now element is the thing which is written between the opening tag and the closing tag. So here the answer could be an opening tag, content, and a closing tag. Question number 17. Which of the following is used to create or modify HTML document? Here most of the things in your textbook are done using this application named site, and it is written like this way, and in the end of the chapter it is printed with the yellow background that Gedit text editor is also used to do the same thing, although throughout the chapter this name is never mentioned, but in the summary it is mentioned. So here you will have to answer both the things, that is both A and B. And actually, in fact, we do all this work with the help of the program called Notepad. Fine. Question number 18. Which of the following tag display the contents in the biggest font size in heading? Here you all know the answer, that is H1 tag. Dash tag structures the content into a paragraph. Okay, so P tag is used to create a paragraph. Question number 21. Which of the following, question number 20. Which of the following refers to a singular tag that do not require the content? Now which are those tags? First try to remember. There are two tags, BR tag to give a line break and HR tag to draw a horizontal line. Here those two tags are known as empty tag. For your general information, empty means null and null means void. All these three are synonyms, but here you will have to answer as empty. Question number 21. Which of the following tag represents the pre-formatted content? The answer is simple, pre-tag. Question number 22. Dash tag is used to display some important words or the content with underline. Then U tag is used for underline. Now here, along with this question, other two questions which I have not covered are: which tag is used to display the content in italic manner? Then I tag. Which tag is used to display the content in bold fashion? Then B tag. So remember these two questions. Question number 23. Dash tag is used to display the content with a strike through a thin line through the text. Answer is very simple. S tag. Question number 24. Which of the following tag displays the content in superscript? That is 2 raised to 10, 2 raised to 5. Then that raised to thing is known as superscript. So that is done using the tag called SUP. Question number 25. The output of an HTML coding, that is P, H, then here we have used subscript before 2 and slash subscript after 2. Okay, then O, then it will be displayed as H2O, in which 2 is a subscript. Question number 26. The content of dash element is written in typewriter type of font. Then TT, here the TT tag is used to display the content in typewriter font. Question number 27. Which of the following can be used to specify additional formatting along with an HTML element? Now whenever you want to give any additional formatting, for example, you have used P tag but you want to align that paragraph, then you use align attribute, right? So that is known as attribute. Or to color the background you use BG color attribute. So these all are known as attributes. An attribute is made up of how many parts? It is made up of two parts. That is the name of that attribute and the value of that attribute. Question number 29. The values of an attribute are enclosed within which sign? Simple answer, double quotes. Never forget to add double quotes. Question number 30. Which of the following attribute type can appear along with any tag? Okay. Here the answer is universal. This we have not done in practical, so you may not be knowing. Then question number 31. Which of the following tag displays the title of HTML document? Easiest question. Title and slash title. Which of the following is an editor to edit an HTML document? Here the answer is site. Now we come to the second part of this video, that is online test. Now in the description a link is given. Okay, as soon as you click on that link, this type of test paper will open. Now first thing is you have to enter your name. Now this videos I am making for the students of Fatima Convent High School. So they have to enter their full name, that is name and surname, both the things. And other students who are willing to give the test, I have no problem in that. You can enter your name or ABC, XYZ, anything. This is just for your self-examination. So first thing you have to enter your name, okay, and then you will have to go on answering the test like this way. Now at present I am not answering all the questions correctly. I am purposely clicking anywhere just to show you that if your answer is wrong, then how is it displayed. Most of the answers which I am marking are wrong. So this is a 29 mark or 30 marks test. Let's see how many marks. So like this way you will have to go on clicking on the radio button. And another benefit is this test, suppose if you answer today and you got less mark, after your preparation again you can answer the same test. Another benefit is at the time of the exams when you are preparing, this all test which I am going to create of each chapter will be very much helpful for you at the last moment also. You will be able to practice, means you will be able to take your self-examination. That time this all things will be very much helpful to you. Fine, there are 29 questions in this chapter. I have marked all of them. Now I click on the submit button. Okay. Here it is showing me that this is required, means all the questions I have to attempt. I cannot leave any question blank. Okay, now I click on the submit button. So as soon as I click on the submit button, it will give me this thing. Your response has been recorded. View score. So I have to click on this button, view score. So it will give me the answer that your score is, see, listen, here is given your score. You are getting total 15 marks, 15 points out of 29. Now see, whichever question I have marked the option correctly, it is showing me in green, while wherever I have marked a wrong answer, for example, here I have marked on web page and the correct answer is home page, right? So like this way with a cross and red color question, it will show me, and here it will show me the correct answer and here it will show me the wrong answer which I had marked, like this way. So hope this test also explanation how to give the test is clear and you will really enjoy in answering the test. Fine, so the video is over and now you can start answering the test if you want. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button so that I come to know whether I should prepare this type of video or not.